Top 5 Best Band Saws for Woodworking. Number 5. Rikon Power Tools 103061 10-inch Deluxe Bandsaw. The Rikon 10-3061 is an excellent choice for those who need a robust band saw for smaller woodworking projects. With a 1/2 horsepower motor and 2 blade speeds, it offers more than enough power to handle most tasks with ease. The cutting capacity has been improved from previous models, making it an ideal choice for hobbyists who need a high-performing machine without the bulk of larger band saws. The left and right tilt capability of the table, 5 degrees to the left and 45 degrees to the right, allows for precision angle cuts, while the tool-less blade guide system and tension adjustments make setup and use effortless. The saw includes a rip fence, and additional storage is provided for tools and accessories onboard. The Rikon 10-3061 stands out for its durability, quiet operation, and smooth performance. It's well suited for users with limited space but who still need a powerful and reliable saw. With its 80+ pound weight, it's built to withstand heavy-duty work, yet can be easily moved if placed on a rolling stand. This bandsaw may come at a higher price point than others in its class, but its durability, ease of use, and high-quality performance make it a worthy investment for serious hobbyists or small shop owners. Coming in number 4. Skil 2.8 amp 9-inch 2-speed benchtop band saw. The Skil 2.8 amp 9-inch band saw is a compact but powerful addition to any small woodworking shop. It has a 2.8 amp induction motor that can cut through a variety of wood materials with ease. The 2-speed drive system allows for tool-free belt tensioning, making it easy to switch between speeds for different tasks. One of its key features is the precision ball bearing and lower blade guides that ensure consistent tracking for accurate cuts. The rack and pinion table adjustment system allows for quick changes in angle, and the miter gauge helps guide your workpiece for accurate crosscuts. A steel base provides stability, reducing vibrations during operation, while the blade tracking sight window enhances cutting accuracy by providing a clear view of the blade's path. The Skil band saw also features a 2 1/2-inch dust port that can accommodate standard vacuum hoses, helping to maintain a cleaner work environment. It's designed for woodworkers who need a small yet reliable machine for occasional use or small projects. Compact, affordable, and highly functional, the Skil 2.8 amp band saw is perfect for hobbyists or those with limited space in their workshop. Its ease of use and reliability make it a valuable tool for a variety of woodworking tasks. Coming in number 3. Jet JWBS 15-15-inch woodworking bandsaw. Designed for the most demanding woodworking tasks, the Jet JWBS 15 features numerous high-end adjustments to cater to professional woodworkers. The tool-free, independently adjustable ball-bearing guides ensure optimal blade support for smooth cuts, while the rigid 4-sided guide post offers superior stability. One of its most distinctive features is the 3 heavy-duty tensioning settings: full tension, partial tension, and full release, making blade changes quick and efficient. The saw's cast iron handwheels and ergonomic knobs allow for effortless adjustments, while the precision ground cast iron table provides superior support for large and heavy pieces. A standout feature is its micro-knob controlled fence system, which allows for fine-tuned measurements to within 0.05 inches, perfect for precision resawing. Additionally, the rack and pinion system ensures smooth table adjustments for angled cuts. This saw also features a large resaw capacity and enhanced throat depth, making it ideal for handling thicker boards and more detailed work. Jet's JWBS 15 is a robust, well-engineered machine that excels in handling larger woodworking tasks with precision, ease, and efficiency. It's a great option for woodworkers who require professional-grade performance and versatility. Coming in number 2. Delta 28-400 4-inch 1-horsepower steel frame band saw. The Delta 28-400 is a powerhouse for serious woodworkers, boasting a heavy-duty steel frame that minimizes flexing while maintaining durability. Its 1-horsepower motor can be powered by either 115-volt or 230-volt, offering 2 speeds, 1620 fpm and 3340 fpm. This dual-speed feature makes it versatile for cutting both wood and non-ferrous metals. The precision ground cast iron table, which measures 15 3/4 inch by 18 7/8 inch, tilts from 3 degrees left to 45 degrees right, making it easy to achieve precision angle cuts. The table is supported by an aluminum trunnion, enhancing its durability. Its upper and lower wheels are made of rubber-coated aluminum, with 9 spokes for excellent blade tracking. The standard 93 1/2-inch blade ensures compatibility with a wide range of options for different cutting needs. Other features, like a dust brush and 4-inch dust port, keep the blades clean, ensuring smooth and efficient cuts. The belt drive system also ensures minimal vibrations for precise performance. Delta 28-400 is a professional-grade bandsaw that delivers high-quality performance for large, intricate projects. It's a great investment for anyone looking to elevate their woodworking game with a reliable, durable tool. Coming in number 1. Wen BA3959 9-inch bandsaw. The Wen BA3959 is a versatile bandsaw ideal for DIY enthusiasts and hobbyists. It features a powerful 2.8 amp motor that rotates the blade up to 2,500 feet per minute. This bandsaw can cut up to 3.5 inch deep and 9 inches wide, making it perfect for a variety of small to mid-sized woodworking projects. The saw utilizes 59.5 inch blades that range from 1/8 to 3/8 of an inch in size, offering flexibility whether you're working on intricate designs or making straight cuts. The spacious worktable, measuring 12.25 by 11.7/8 of an inch, can be beveled up to 45 degrees, allowing for angled cuts with precision. Additional features include a 1/4 inch blade, a rip fence for straight cuts, a miter gauge, and a dust port. The adjustable blade guard, with ball bearing supports, ensures smooth operation and prolonged blade life, reducing the need for frequent replacements. A 2-year warranty adds to the value, giving peace of mind for long-term use. Overall, the Wen BA3959 is a reliable option for small woodworking projects, especially for those on a budget, who need a solid performer with basic yet essential features.